Page 58. Lesson 4. Farm chores. B. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Milk the cows.
2.
Feed the chickens.
3.
Pick vegetables.
4.
Collect eggs.
Page 58. C. Listen and say. Then listen and read.
I always milk the cows in the morning. I always milk the cows before school.
1.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I always milk the cows in the morning. Their milk is great.
2.
My name is Luke. I always feed the chickens in the morning and in the evening. They're always hungry.
3.
I'm Maria. I go to school at 8:30 in the morning. I usually pick vegetables after school.
4.
Hello, my name is Brian. I always collect eggs before school. I do my homework in the afternoon.